Students, in this period I am solving number 6 of exercise 3.5. Complete the following factor tree and write the prime factors of each number. Number is 84, 0, again complete the following factor tree and write the prime factors of each number. Here the given number is 84. To completing factor tree, first of all we divide 84 by 2. Dividing 84 by 2, we get 42 as quotient, and again dividing 42 by 2, we get quotient as 21. Also dividing 21 by 3, we get quotient is 7. So the prime factors of 84 is equal to 2, 2, 3, 7. 2, 2, 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Complete factor tree. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And in next question, 90. In 90, second number is 90. This factor tree is incomplete. We have to complete 45, 45, and also dividing 45 by 3, we get as quotient, we get 15. Second is 3, dividing 5. First of all, we divide 92 by 2. 44 as a quotient, and also dividing by 3, get 15 as quotient. Dividing 15 by 3, we get 5 as quotient. So the prime factors of 90 is equal to 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So the prime factors of 90 is equal to 2, 3, 18, 90. Similarly, 150. Third number is 150. Dividing by 150 by 2, 75 is obtained, and also dividing 75 by 3, we get 25 as quotient. 25, and again 25 by 3. First of all, we divide 150 by 2. 75 is obtained quotient, and also dividing 75 by 3, 25 is quotient, and dividing 25 by 5, we get 5 as quotient. So the prime factors of 2, 3, 150. 150 is equal to 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, and 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 equal to 150. So 6 number question is completed. Now 7 number question is find the prime factorization of 840. बताइए. Prime factorization of 840. Prime factorization of 840 is equal to is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 7 बराबर 2 3 4 8 5 40 120 70 840. Similarly, write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of prime factors. Greatest number of 4 digits. Greatest number of 4 digits. Greatest number of 4 digit. चार अंकों की बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या will be is equal to 49 of 4 digits, and prime factorization of 9999 is equal to 9999 dividing by 3, again 3, 1111. Now dividing 11 by 11, we have 101. Now it will not be divided. So the prime factorization of greatest number of 4 digits will be 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Answer. Now only 2 questions have been left in this exercise, so I give you task to complete for next day. Exercise 3.6. I give you task to complete this exercise and start exercise 3.6.